Match the alphabet with correct word.
Q for queen, R for rose, S for sheep, T for tiger. U for umbrella, V for violin, W for wolf, X for Xmas. Y for yacht, Z for zebra.
If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Happy padhai!